Hello, today I'm going to show you SurveyMonkey. You can either go to surveymonkey.com or if you're at Google, type in SurveyMonkey and it will be the very first link. You can click here to sign up for free or click Create Survey. I've already created an account here, but if you'd like to take a look at the plans, click here. They have a basic package which is free. Let's click here. So it's free, you'll get unlimited number of surveys, but it limits you to 10 questions per survey. And you can only use 3 collectors per survey. So for me, I actually went with a standard plan for $26. And that gave me unlimited surveys, unlimited questions, and unlimited number of collectors. So now that we've seen that, I'm going to log in. And you can see I've already created 3 surveys and I'm using this for my internship. So I'm creating training for the managers at the restaurant I work at. So I did one for the current managers who are working. I did one for the former managers that have worked there. And then also for all of the other employees that are impacted by the managers. So that would be current employees. It tells you the typical time spent on the survey, the total responses you've received, and I can show you what it's like to create. So here we would go if we wanted to start a new survey. And something that's really cool, if you click this all templates, you can see there's quite a number of different templates you can choose. So let's just pick one for an example. Customer satisfaction. So let's use this template. So it already generates like common questions that would be about customer satisfaction. So this question asks, overall, how satisfied or dissatisfied are you with our company? Very satisfied, somewhat satisfied, never satisfied. And here you can edit if you wanted to change something about. So you can require an answer to this question. You can edit, so this has it as a multiple choice. You can change this. Something that I use for mine is under, where you select that you want to do a multiple choice. I like that there's this option. You can add an other answer option or comment field. So if you want them to expand on their answer, they have an opportunity to fill that in the text box below that question. So let me show you one of my surveys. So I'm going to go back to my surveys. I'll show you the former manager questionnaire I created. So you have all of these options here. There's summary, design, preview and score, collect, analyze, and present. So you can see for this specific survey, I got 9 responses. There was 40 questions that they answered. And it shows you too who I've sent it. So and I'll show you how I named these so it's easy to read. So I emailed these to people and then I renamed it by their name so it was very easy for me to see who I'm looking at. And the 0 here shows that I did not receive any feedback from this person. So that's like the summary. Now I'll show you how to change the names. Under collect responses, you click this here and you can rename, and that's how I did that. And then I want to show you how to analyze. So it'll go through each question and it groups all of your responses together for that question. So it's very easy to analyze the data that you've collected. And then another cool thing is this present results. Here you can create something called a dashboard, which I've started one again for the same survey, the former manager questionnaire. So I'll show you what that looks like. So what this dashboard does is you can pick specific questions from your survey that you want to maybe share with someone that, maybe this is something we need to work on. So you can just group those things that you've found that you want to share. So, like for me, I did, how long did it take you to complete training for your position? And I liked this question because as you can see in the results, every response is different. There's a huge inconsistency. And this is something that I would want to address with, the regional manager, the owners. And then you can see these are other questions that I wanted to stand out from the rest of the survey. And I just love the way, it's very easy to analyze with these charts. In this program, it does everything for you. I sent the email to them, and once I received it, this program automatically graphs the data instantly, and so you can review it and do what you need. So I hope this was helpful. Clearly, this is just an overview. There's so much more to this that you'll want to explore with, but hopefully this helps, and I highly recommend using SurveyMonkey.